guys, Dr. Giant Squid here. So today I'll be doing a review on the Syma S107g helicopter. It's a remote control helicopter. So let's get right into this and open it up. Okay, so let's see what comes with the helicopter first. Gotta pull this up and then you pull that out like that. So what comes with the helicopter is you have a spare back rotor blade. It looks like you have a charging cable here that you plug into a port. It does not come with the port. Looks like you have a remote control in here. So yep, that's a remote control. And then the helicopter. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at the remote control. So here it looks like you have trim. So you have the trim for left and right if it's spinning, and then you have the up and down, and the forward, backward, and spin. So this is off and on. It looks like it has 2 channels up here. It takes 6 AA batteries, and I just put that on there because I have multiple. So yeah. Now let's take a look at the helicopter. So these are loose because once I turn it on, as I'll show you, it'll spin better. And just screws, and it has 2 engines, and this is a double bladed propeller because this one spins that way and this one spins the other way, so it can hover. And yeah, it has a metal frame, and you get 6 to 7 minutes of flight time out of it, and it takes about 40 to 45 minutes of charging time. So yeah, and here you can see the on and off switch. So you turn that on, has that little light, and a blinking green light back there. Turn it off. And then this plug here, so it said that when you plug it in, it'll turn red, and then let's say if it's fully not charged, so let's say if it's fully charged, it'll turn red, but while you're charging it, it won't have any color. Okay? So let's turn this on and see how it works. So first you turn on the controller. There's no connecting since it is an infrared, so you can't fly this out in day, but it can be flown at night. So like that, and then keep it pointed at it, and so I'm going up on that, and then as you can see here, if I put it down, I can hover it a little bit, and then this is turn, bring it up, and forward and backward, and this is the trim. So let me turn the trim. See, when I turn the trim to the left, now it's spinning to the left, and then when I turn it to the right, it starts spinning to the right. So let's bring it down. So it's a nice, it handles really well. Okay. Oops, and see, this is built by Syma, and they're very durable, and if you ever need to, you can just go online and buy more of these, and you unscrew it to replace it, but these are very durable, so yeah. And that is the review on the Syma S107g Metal Series helicopter. You can go on Amazon.com, and you can look it up, and they are about $21 US. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment on what your favorite part was. Bye!